There's the bell. Carter coming out on the right-hand side, black trunks. James Ellis, white trunks. Carter from Paterson, New Jersey, 157 1/4. Ellis from Louisville, 155 3/4. Ellis, much the taller of the two by 5 inches at 6'1". Carter deliberately and slowly slowing him down with that body attack. It's almost as though Ellis were saying, I know what you want to do, but I'm not going to let you if I can help it. Ooh. 2 minutes left in round 6. Solid punch.
All right, that's it. Hold it, that's it. Step back now.
Ellis was doing very well until he was down by a right hand in round 4. Been sort of fading since then, or Carter's been coming on.
All right, that's it. All right. All right, that's it.
Round 6 running its course. Carter sending them home and scoring heavily. There's the bell. Next Friday, the fight of the week will present the 2 biggest heavyweights in the business. Top contender Ernie Terrell and German champ Gerhard Zeck. Each is over 6 feet 5 inches tall. Terrell has won 8 straight, his most recent efforts bringing him victories over hard-punching Cleveland Williams and crafty Zora Foley. Terrell now looms as a top contender for Cassius Clay's crown. He has won 31 out of 35 with 16 KOs. Zeck has knocked out 6 straight opponents to give him an overall record of 24 wins, 1 loss, and 17 knockouts. He's heavyweight champion of Germany and the hardest puncher to come over since Max Schmeling. Heavyweights Ernie Terrell and Gerhard Zeck, 10 rounds or less, here at the Garden next Friday on the Fight of the Week. Brought to you by the Gillette Safety Razor Company and by William Penn Cigars and Tipperillos. Round 7 at Madison Square Garden. James Ellis in the white trunks, Rueben Hurricane Carter in black. Carter seems to have slowed down Ellis just enough so he can get close enough to him for those blockbusters he throws. And Carter tonight is showing us a good left jab. Wow. Ellis' right hand, which was very effective in the early rounds, seems to have been neutralized.
All right, that's it. Hold it, punch. Hold it.
Ellis's left jab is still a very potent punch, but the right is missing. A little bit low that time by Carter. One minute to go in round 7. Carter is planting them home, first with the left and then with the right. They are solid senders.
All right.
10 seconds to go in round 7. There's the bell. Coming up to round 8 here at Madison Square Garden. Rueben Hurricane Carter, black trunks. Patterson, New Jersey. James Ellis, Louisville, white trunks. Middleweights fighting. Ellis trying to get back into contention here. About 2 minutes remaining in round 8 of a 10-rounder.
All right, that's it, both of you.
Ellis standing up better now under those punches than he seemingly did earlier. Both landed hard there. Carter got in a couple extra, though. Now Ellis is putting more power in his punches. Ellis also sneaks a look at the clock.
That's it, on the outside. Let's go, both of you. All right, that's it. All right, that was good. Let's punch it on both of you. Come on, mix it.
Joe Lascalzo, the referee, when he breaks him, says, come on, keep punching. Round 8 almost over.
All right, come on.
There's the bell. Let's see what we're in the very good preliminaries tonight. In a middleweight bout, Harold Richardson of New York won unanimously over Ossie Marcano of the Bronx. Another middleweight bout, Bobby Cassidy of Levittown and Gil Diaz of the Bronx. Draw, both of these fights being 8 rounds. The others a 4-round duration. Mike McGurk of Glasgow, Scotland, a middleweight, defeated Hank Pello of Buffalo, New York. Another 4-rounder, welterweight bout, Gil Rodriguez of Puerto Rico. Carl Williams, well, they're scheduled later. I guess that takes care of the preliminary bouts. Toots Shore and his family back on the boxing beat here at Madison Square Garden tonight.